Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are learning the Node.js, this video can help you out to save your months of learning of wrong tech stack. So basically, if you have started to learn the Node.js, you have probably heard about that like Express.js is dead or EJS and Pug are no longer required by any of the companies and no one is using this. So we will discuss this thing in depth and we will find out what is happening inside the Node.js ecosystem. So earlier when React.js is not coming inside the picture of the Node ecosystem, then we are using probably to create the front end and back end in one place via help of Express.js, EJS and Pub. Whereas to create the HTML template, we are using the EJS and Pub, write the CSS, write the scripting code via help of JavaScript. And to write the APIs, backend calls, we are using the Express.js with the framework. So now, after that, the React.js coming inside the picture, it will in. So Express.js is not that. EJS and Pub विलुप्त नहीं हुए. Basically, those are now going inside the evolutions. So Express.js is not that. EJS and Pub are not extinct. Basically, those are evolved. So in the Node.js, we are using Nest.js, TypeScript, Fastify frameworks to evolve and create the more unansible backend APIs. Whereas instead of using the EJS, Pug to create the HTML templates, we are using React.js, Vue.js frameworks. So in conclusions, if you are building the small projects, doing the freelancing things, you can still use the old Node.js ecosystem, whereas one thing you need to keep in mind, you have fulfilled the requirement of the client or fulfilling the requirement of the project. So if you found this video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe us. Thank you.